All right, guys, we're back. I didn't think I was ever going to do another review video. This company, TIGERXBANG, reached out to me and they sent me a paddleboard and they asked if I could review it for them. But yeah, we're still going to mainly be fishing videos, fishing focused videos. And this review will not be over until we catch a fish on this paddleboard. Let's start unboxing this thing. Got a box in a box. Ooh, they give me a seat. Sick. Our bag for the board. We got the pump. Ooh, we got the double-sided paddle. The single's nice because of the reach, but when you're on your knees or you're sitting down, I'm sure with this sitting down on the seat, I'm sure the double paddle is going to be really nice because it does take time. You lose momentum switching hands with the single paddle. Feels well made, not flimsy. Ankle strap, that is nice. I've actually been thinking about ordering this for my other one. Seat, bag size, ankle strap. This is already a dub for TIGERXBANG. Looks like we got the patch kit. Yeah, that's kind of cool. User manual. Got that new car smell. It's a good looking paddleboard. Of course, this is gonna be muddy in about 2 hours. They look awesome when you get them out of the box, and I think they look awesome when you dirty them up. I know these companies recommend that you wash them off. You want to take care of your gear, but I don't know if keeping your paddleboard squeaky clean is top priority. Looks like a pretty standard hookup. Press down and twist. That's where when you're letting air out. When you're letting air in, the pump will compress that for you. And then when you pull it out, it'll come back up. Yeah, ooh, I didn't even notice that. We got it's hiding underneath this little GoPro mount. I like that, it's a nice little touch. So here's the fun part, airing this thing up. You can always get an automatic pump. In the past, I've seen 12 to 15 PSI. Looks like this one recommends 15 to 21. Got your screw on the front, pretty straightforward, screw it in. This plug on the side, what this does is if you open it up, you only put air in pushing down. You plug it, then you put air in when you're pulling up and pushing down. I generally just plug it once you get to like 10 PSI. If it's getting a little too difficult, open that thing up and get it the rest of the way. You've got little notches, 2 little notches on there. Line it up, twist. It's really easy to want to put it all in your arms. I recommend adding a little back. Once it looks aired up, you're like halfway. That'll get you warmed up to paddle. Pretty cool bottom. That's what the fish see. What's nice about some other paddleboards is the easy installation of the fin, how easy you can put it on and take it off. If you're using this for a still water setup, you're going to ponds and lakes or deeper rivers, it's no hiccup at all. If you're on a river and you want to take it on and off multiple times, you're probably going to go no fin or fin. You don't want to mess with floating back and forth. So you got 2 little knobs right here. Drop those into the slot, slide that back, then line up your screw hole here. You got your little washer threaded. They may not have all the accessories that more fishing oriented paddleboards have. It is like half the price. The last paddleboard system I got was, I think I spent, once I got everything I wanted for it, maybe $1,100. This one right now, they've got it on sale for half off. I think it's at $300. We're gonna put this thing through the ringer. I'm gonna beat the crap out of it. I wanna be honest for you guys. One more thing that I like is I really like these front handles. A lot of times I've just seen bungees up front. Bungees are awesome, but to have an extra handle, you can stabilize stuff, you can tie stuff down. Another thing that I like is these right here. This paddle holder is coming in clutch. That's already like one of my favorite things about this. And I think it's awesome that they included the ankle strap. Normally I'll just bungee it real quick and then I'm stepping over it and I'm fumbling, maybe a line gets tangled on it, but to have a spot that you can put it, it'll stay out of your way. I think I'm gonna like that a lot. And you've got all your tie downs that any other fishing paddleboard's gonna have. There's not as many accessories with these, but if you're like me and you like saving money and you like rigging stuff and you already have all kinds of fishing stuff, like my tackle bag has rod holders on it, my ice chest has rod holders on it, and then you've got the tie down system, so you can very easily save $500, rig all that up yourself without spending any money. Up to you what the purpose is, what you're using it for. Start slow when you're letting air out, don't just burst it out. I do like a light compression for probably 10 to 15 seconds, and then just open it all the way up. Right here, get as much air out as you can. Close that thing off, cap back on. I like this paddle. I don't know if that's how you pack it, but that's how we pack it in Oklahoma. One thing I'm already liking is how compact this is. It's really easy to fit all this in there. I'm liking the support here. These have pads on them, the hips have pads on them. You want to be comfortable carrying this thing. You're gonna take it cool places. As always, you want to put a lot of that weight on your hips. Oh yeah, that's already a lot better than what I've been working with. All right, my dog wants to be in the video. So we got the Fisher Pup Limb here. We actually had her on a paddleboard the other day. It was awesome. The weights on my other paddleboard on the backpack does not fit me. I can actually put some weight on this one, which is awesome because you don't want that weight on your shoulders. That's when you're gonna get fatigued. So the lake's about 20 miles away. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start lugging it that way. Kate, if you wanna drive over there, I'll see you there. All right, we made it to the lake. We are officially aired up for the second time. Wasn't as fun as the first, believe it or not. I've got the seat installed here, but you've got several adjustments to kind of adjust your tilt. It seems like you can kind of just scoot the butt a little bit too if you want less reclining. I've got the ankle strap on here. Sorry, Tiger Gang, I've already ditched the seat. I'm just not gonna mess with it today. I'm taking 2 rods. The more minimal, the better, especially first time taking this out. Okay, already I can tell this thing is way faster than my other paddleboard, and not even just because I have the two-sided paddle. It's a smaller board, it's not as wide, so speed is already a huge plus. Got it. Oh, that was a bass. So first impression, this thing is a hell of a lot faster than my other paddleboard. It's not quite as stable, but it's a lot easier to move. It zooms on the water. And when I say not quite as stable, this thing is still, it's not gonna dump you. It's totally up to your balance. Now what we're gonna do is see how easy it is to get back up on it if you fall in, so I'm gonna hop in. So yeah, pretty easy to get back on. If you kind of take your time with it, don't freak out. Ankle strap is nice, especially on a day like today where it's super windy. You could fall in and before you even realize what's going on, your paddleboard could be halfway across the lake. Like a hybrid. Yeah, it's a big sand. Yeah, that was sweet. Felt really good on the paddleboard. So that's a wrap on this paddleboard. Really like it, it's fast. Probably end up making this paddleboard my lake paddleboard fishing setup or still water, so ponds and lakes. I think I'm testing it on a river this weekend. If you guys are interested in buying this thing, it'll help support the channel and it'll also get you guys a discount code. Coupon code OKIEFISH use the link below. I think that's all, guys. If you want to subscribe, I'm probably going to review a few more of these things.